Hey guys, this is Paul Sackles again with another lead gen secret review. It's basically like an update. Um, yeah, I'm seeing great results with this. Um, I got some bonus leads, 100 bonus leads. So with that, um, I'm starting getting 200 leads a day, and which is powerful because I could just market to uh, like 200 people, getting 200 people every day because I got 100 bonus leads. So I just market my opportunities to all these people. So you can take a look. So right now I'm starting came in 200 leads. Instead of 100 leads every day, I'm getting 200 leads every day. And on top of that, also earn a $5 commission as well for that. So you guys, I definitely should get up on this. This is amazing because you can earn money within the system. Plus, you sending your opportunity to like thousands of leads, and you're definitely bound to get a sale. Definitely, because I have gotten sales as well. So I encourage you to please get my lead gen system. This is powerful. So this is my update, y'all, and I'm still using this, and it's working wonders for me. So, I'm Paul Stackhouse, and I am out.